Hey, we're back in the shop here today, working on the 70 Nova, wrapping some stuff up. Right now, I'm making an ice box for the intercooler for the supercharger. And these are some of the parts for the core of the ice box. And I'm going to show you some aluminum welding prep and tips to do it right.
Hey, it's Josh at Next Gen Performance. Make sure you guys watch the whole video and stick around because there's going to be an announcement at the end of the video and a chance to win on our next video.
Thanks, Josh. So, first things first, with any kind of welding, you want to prep it. It's good to wipe it. This is just acetone. So I like to make sure everything's clean where you're going to weld it. So we'll just wipe all these parts down with acetone. And these are the parts to a core. You'll see what it looks like once I put it together. Get it nice and clean. Contaminants are the enemy with welding. All right, so we got this thing put together. It did not go together so easy, but it's basically a water manifold. It's gonna have some blocks welded on here afterwards, but just for the sake of the video, we're just doing some welding. But I'm gonna weld these all the way around here to seal these pipes up. So let's get into that. Let's set up the welder, and I'll show you. Come over here. This is the ice box. This is your intercooler pump, and this thing's gonna go inside of here. And it's gonna get a lid welded on it, and it's gonna have an ice fill and a coolant fill for the supercharger. But for now, we're just gonna be dealing with this. Another important thing to do is keep your tungsten sharp. Come with me, we'll sharpen. So the sharpened tungsten, you want to cut against the grain like this. And that's good. Just to a sharp point works for me. So come on. Now we're all cleaned up, things all assembled. We're gonna weld this thing with this TIG 200 square wave. I have a really nice Dynasty right here that I'm not using, but we'll just use this for whatever. I've got these things all tacked in. I'm going to go ahead and fully weld them out all the way around. So that's the final product. Like I said, it's going to have some water manifolds here. Coolant's going to throw through these tubes and tack them up on this area here. This is like a stiffening plate so that these don't bend or break. But so that's our final result. We're welding all these up. A little lesson for you. If you get something out of it, good. If you don't, too bad.
Congratulations, guys. You made it this far, and now you have a chance to win this car. You guys thought I was serious? You guys have a chance to win a Next Gen merch pack, a shirt, a beanie, maybe a decal. What are you, crazy? I'm not gonna give this car away. All you have to do is like and comment on this video, and you will automatically be entered to win a Next Gen merch pack shipped to your door in the next video.